Limble and the way that I do my job are both accommodations for the way my brain works. I was diagnosed with dyslexia when I was 21 in college, and more recently, I already kind of knew, but more recently I had another psych eval, and I also have ADHD. I went through all of high school, and all my schooling was, they were like, you're great, you have so many talents. And then 7th grade, I went to a different school, started getting given homework. All of a sudden, the kid who was really smart that got all the praise turned into the kid who's unreliable. And that's a beatdown. And at my first review here, my boss said her favorite thing about me is that she can always rely on me and that I always get everything done. And I'm the most reliable person that she knows. And I'm actually beginning to cry right now. Before I came here, there wasn't really a facilities department. There was no tracking. So the 2 weeks before I worked here, I tried every free trial I could get my hands on. Limble is the one that just kind of, the way my brain works and the way Limble works are the same. I have a hard time retaining information when I read, hard time seeing the paper when I read. That's why I have these glasses. I live very much in the present because I can't remember the short-term stuff, and moving information in, like, from one place to another in my head right now. Limble does that for me. So there's always a record of the things that I'm doing. Because I also have, short-term memory problems, I often don't remember the work that I did. So it's nice to be able to look back on my week and go, wow, I got a lot of stuff done. Even just little things like having a clock make a difference. Everything that I can't do, I can use Limble to do for me. It's a 504 accommodation for ADHD, dyslexia, ASD and things like that. The way that it's laid out, you can go and look them up. More than half the things that Limble does are also accommodations for neurodivergence. The fact that they think I'm doing a great job and actually refer to me as a reliable person, Limble gave me that. And I can't put a value on that. It's really big to be able to get people with special talents and special ways of thinking that can do other things that other people can't, and give them the support to do what they need. To be in a job where I have something helping me and I can prove the amount of work I do, it gives me job satisfaction. When Limble takes the strain off me so that I can do the things I'm good at, I can take the stress off them, which gives them more energy to do the things they're good at, which leads to better lives for the people who work here and come here every day.